Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I have been on this no sugar no dessert challenge for the last 2 weeks. Kind of been like updating about it in my broadcast channel. The main reason that I started it is because like the last 6 months in Australia I was working out every single day. Like I used to go for runs and walks and just something or the other. But in the last month I accidentally twisted my ankle. Adilenda and I'm not able to like walk very fast or like go for any kind of like runs or anything. So that's why I was like, okay, might as well start something with the diet, and that's why I started with this no sugar challenge. So let me tell you some of my experiences pretty quickly. So இதை நான் வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது I did not have the idea of actually going no sugar on coffee or tea. But after the first day I realized I wanted to make it more harder because coffee and tea la நான் வந்து sugar போட்டுட்டேன் அப்படினா எனக்கு அந்த craving பெருசா வரல. So I wanted to like control craving portion completely. So that's why I decided, okay, let me just completely stop sugar and dessert அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So for the first 3 days, 4 days kita, I did not have any sugar, not in my tea, coffee, no kind of syrups. I have like this whole list made over here that I wasn't consuming. And then fruits I didn't consume because I didn't just want any kind of sugar. Then I think after the 5th or the 6th day, I only started including apples and oranges. It was a little hard, to be honest, in the first 3 days. It was extremely hard. 4, 5 and 6 was completely fine. Then on the 7th day I got my periods. So when I'm on my periods I crave sugar like it's nobody's business. Now I will pre-plan and buy things and keep in my room when it's going to be that periods week. So I was that bad. I wanted to give up. I literally was about to go get a boba tea, but then I was like ivlo kashtapattu. I want to see if there are any results. Now I'm in like a better position. And today will be the last day mostly. Depends on when I check my weight because I'm waiting for the bloating to stop. But the significant change that I saw in these couple of days is that my face bloating and my face fat, mostly it's the bloating that is reduced. And I also used to have like a very prominent double chin, which is not very significant right now. I'm got pictures here for your comparison, but yeah, this is the significant difference that I have seen in the last couple of days. Really, like, I'm not sure if it's that visible on camera or not, but in this particular picture I saw that difference and I was like, whoa. So yeah, that's for the breakfast, and I will meet you guys again during the lunch and dinner. It's finally dinner time and I'm going to be doing my favorite tofu noodle soup. This basically isn't really a recipe that I saw anywhere, but I just ended up making this one day when I first came to Australia because I saw silken tofu somewhere and I wanted to try it. So அதனால இந்த ரெசிபி வந்து basically நானே வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்ச ஒரு kind of recipe. It's not a big deal, but it's very simple, it's very wholesome, and it's just so yummy. Procedure just involves a little bit of ingredients here and there. So we're gonna prep the ingredients, throw everything into a hot pot bowl, and then just cook it.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love.
Actually got this new bowl from Big W today. It's got this pretty ribbed pattern and it's like this cute little, it's supposed to be a cereal bowl, but we are going to use it for today's food. I just couldn't wait, I just had to immediately use it.
You have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't.
The food isn't complete without this chili oil. This is definitely the best. The மேல போட்டு சாப்பிட்டா do a taste test of this. Yum. Oh, the carrot fell. Carrot that fell hits the spot every time. So good. Definitely my go-to comfort food. I just